So it's time for another classic, guys. Now before I tell you what we are going to make today, let me tell you a little story. This is the cocktail that I'm sure all of us heard for the first time ever. All moms used to love this, and as I grew up I realized I liked it too, and I'm sure most of us love the non-alcoholic version of it and the alcoholic version both, and they're both equally good. You guessed it right, it's pina colada. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make at home, and we are going to use all fresh ingredients for this. We're going to use some fresh coconut milk. Now this is not the canned version. We're going to use, we've got the one that we make out of fresh coconut. You know, something that we make sol curry out of. So this is what it is. Then fresh pineapple, I'm using about, let's say about half a cup of fresh pineapple chunks. We're going to use almost a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now that's my secret, okay? That's what is going to give this drink that edge. Of course, we use Bacardi white rum, yeah? And that's about it. We're going to use a little bit of ice. What you need for this drink is a blender, okay? Any blender at home is absolutely fine. So let's get on with it. So you take your blender, okay, and we quickly throw in all the ingredients there. I don't want my vanilla ice cream to melt away. If you're using pineapple juice, you can use about 90 ml for this recipe. Also at this time, if you want to add maybe say a few pieces of mango, you can do that. You can add a few pieces of strawberry, your choice. So that's about 60 ml of the coconut milk. Now for the rum. So that's 60 ml of the Bacardi. And we'll put a little extra. That's it. Going to put a few pieces of the ice just to make sure it gets that nice consistency. That's it. There you go. You need to blend away. Okay, so about 30 seconds and we are ready. Now you can serve this in any tall glass that you've got, guys. Okay, normally, classically it should be a hurricane glass, but I've got this nice classy looking tall glass. I'm just going to use that one. Nice. It's got a few chunks of the pineapple in there. I'm just going to add a few pieces of ice. Just to make sure the drink stays chill. Now this is not a milkshake, so we don't want it that thick, okay? Let's garnish the drink. Got a nice straw here with me. Got some pineapple leaves. Make sure you wash them. Okay, that's it, easy. There you go, that's your pina colada. So as always, I'm going to ask you now to make sure you tag your friends in this video, follow my Instagram page, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you all very soon. Chill out in the summers with this easy pina colada recipe. Thank you.